Right, my daughter, young Ruby, said that she wants to put me on Instagram. Now, I'm not quite sure what Instagram is. I don't even know how it works, and I'm not even sure what it's for. But, whatever. So, she said it'd be a really good idea if you can do some photographs or a video or something to show you actually making something. So, I said, okay, fine. So, this is something that I've been looking at over the last few days. Just an idea. I saw a guy in New Zealand who does a lot of welding, or he's a welder, and he made up a floor lamp or standing lamp out of old scrap that he welded up into 4 panels, and then he welded the 4 panels together like a box, and he put a light in the middle with a light bulb. And I have to say, it was pretty good. I liked it, but it was a little bit boring, to be honest, but I liked it, don't get me wrong. But I thought, well, I don't know, perhaps we could do something else with that. Anyway, a little while ago I was out repairing someone's boiler. Now, I'm semi-retired, but I have a specialist boiler company in London, and on the older boilers I have to still go out and fix them because I'm the oldest one and I'm the only one that knows how they work. And I was working in a lady's house, and when I pulled up to fix the boiler, I noticed that someone had thrown a load of timber and a load of kitchen worktop, wooden kitchen worktop, down the side of the house and the driveway, and it had been out there quite some considerable time. And as you can see, the wood doesn't look too good. However, this is solid oak, and it's really nice wood. So when I finished fixing the boiler, I asked the lady, what are you doing with all that wooden worktop? And she said, well, we want to take it to the tip, but we can't fit it in the car. So I said, oh. So I, being a good Samaritan, like you are, I said, would you like me to dispose of that for you? She went, oh, that'd be wonderful. So I said, yes, it would, wouldn't it? Thank you very much. So I loaded the van up with all the kitchen worktop, and this is what's left. So we've got an offcut of an offcut that I've been using, and I thought that would make a very nice base once it's all routed and polished and stuff. And then I thought, right, we've got to get from wood to metal, which isn't necessarily an easy task. But then I came up with the idea of using these engine pot or valve pots, whatever they're called, which are nice and shiny and very, very, very pretty actually when they're polished. So using a Forstner bit, I've marked out 4 holes for the engine valve pots, whatever they are, to slot into like that. Now that's going to be the basis of where the welding starts, and we start putting the metal frame together. Now that's as far as we've got so far. So we'll keep it updated, and as I go along, I'll try and video some bits as we go along, and then hopefully we'll get to the end product. Now the plan is to build some sort of oval shape with hopefully maybe a fluted top. I'm not sure, because it could change even by the time I finish doing this video. Ideas come and go, but that's the plan. That's what we've got so far. We'll see what it turns out like, hopefully at some point after Christmas. So see you for the update.